Welcome to Orgnyz. In this video, we'll show you how to create your free account step by step. Open your browser and go to www.app.orgnyz.com. This will take you to the Orgnyz login page. Click Sign Up for free below the sign-in form. You will see the sign-up page. Enter your full name and your email ID. Then create a strong password. Make sure it has at least 8 characters with 1 uppercase, 1 lowercase, 1 number, and 1 special character. Check the box to agree to the terms of use and privacy policy. Then click Create Account. You will now see a confirmation screen saying Email Verification Sent. In case you did not get an email, click on Resend the verification email. Go to your email inbox and open the verification email from Orgnyz. It will say Verify My Email and have a red button. Click Verify My Email to activate your account. Remember, the link is valid for 5 minutes, so verify quickly. After verification, you'll be taken back to Orgnyz automatically. You will now land on the restaurant setup page. That's it. Your free Orgnyz account is now active. In the next video, we'll show you how to complete your restaurant setup step by step